Hey, my name is Stephen Lind from 2Q Creations. How would you like to offer a live chat support on your website without spending any money? I'm going to show you how to do that in 10 minutes. All you need is an active website and a Facebook page. Okay, let's get started. Log into your Facebook and go to your Facebook page. Scroll to the settings and then click on messaging. Once you're in this messaging tab, scroll down and click on add messenger to your website and click on get started. It's going to take you to a brand new page where you can go and configure your chat plugin. Click on the setup tab on top. There are 4 steps that you need to go through. First step is select the language that you want to use on your website. Second is add a domain name that you want the chat widget to appear. My recommendation is that for your domain name, enter the www.yourdomainname.com and a domain name without the www. Okay, and click on save and continue. The next step is to copy the code. Okay, this is the JavaScript code that you're supposed to copy and paste to the header section of your website. If you don't know how to do that, there's a very detailed instruction on Facebook. They will show you how to do that, or you can simply forward this code to your web developer and ask them to insert that to the header section of your website. Or you can simply click on that email instruction and have Facebook send you the full instruction on how to do it. Okay, so that's it for this section. And next thing is to configure the user experience as people enter into your your chat widget. This is what people are going to see if they click on the chat widget. Okay, you can have this welcome message turn off. So as they enter, nothing's going to show. They can start asking you a question directly through your messenger or your live chat, or you can turn this on to enhance that experience. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is welcome message. So simply just enter some welcome message that you want to greet people as they come into your messenger chat box. The next thing is frequently asked questions. These are super important. I want you to think about the top 3 questions that people are asking you all the time. Okay, by having these 3 questions, it's probably going to eliminate some of the live chat support that you need. Question might be like, where are you located? What time are you open? Or what kind of services or product you offer? Right? So think about the top 3 questions, and all you need to do is go over here, click on that icon and enter your question as well as your response in here. And you can enter up to 3 questions at the most. Okay. The last thing we want to do is customize your chat plugin. Okay, and there's few options here. The first one is the greetings. So greeting is what people see before they click on the chat, the live chat widget. Okay, so whatever you want to say, hi, how can I help you? That's pretty simple. And the next one is the guest chat. This is actually a new feature Facebook has added recently. This allows people to chat with your business without logging into Messenger while using the chat plugin on your website. Okay, so which means by enable this, when people don't need to log into their Messenger. There's a pros and cons. The pro is for the user, if they want to chat with you anonymously, they can do that. But the cons for us as a business owner is we won't be able to track that conversation. So that means as soon as they leave the website, you can no longer communicate with them. Okay, so it really depends on the type of business that you run. You can decide to enable or disable this feature. The next one is custom colors. So if you don't like the default blue color, you can turn this on and pick from the color palette and pick the one that matches your brand. Okay, and finally there's the alignment. So it's basically just setting up where you want the chat box to locate. The default is right, so it will appear on the lower right hand corner of your website. If you click on left, it's going to appear on the lower left hand corner of your website. And for the bottom spacing, I won't touch that. It's basically just how far the chatbot is from the bottom of the website. So I'll leave it as it is. Once you're happy with it, just click publish and copy and paste, and just paste that code onto your website, and you will see a chat widget like this in no time. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message from the form below. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.